welcome back to another Mitch Fits video. More T7 and transit content here. This is a quick installation video showing you this new table system that goes in the sliding door. So like I say, it's going to be a real quick one and show you how it all works. So first step, grab a trim tool and we're going to take all these plastic rivets out that hold the original panel in, and then we'll start looking if there's anything obstructing behind or if we can just go ahead and install. So now I've got the panel off, I've noticed we've got this clear membrane. This needs to come off as well. So it's just a case of peel it off. You can find somewhere to start. These are stuck very well, but it is just a big sticker. So with the membrane now out, I'm just going to check this fits in there, if there's anything in the way. So we've got a bit of wiring here, a couple of plugs, but they do seem to be further back than where this is intended to sit. So I'm just going to double check that and then go ahead and install it. Okay, so I've just put one of the original fixings in just to check positioning. I've now grabbed all the new clips that come with the kit. Get them out of the bag. It might be a good idea to have the door slightly open to start with on this, just so you can lay next to it, get down, check it is definitely all clear underneath like this one is, and then we can go ahead and start putting some of these fixings in. They are literally just another style of plastic rivet, just the nice black ones for a black panel. So now I've got a few of the top ones in, I'm going to take the table out just by twisting so it's flat there and it'll lift out. It'll just give me a bit more access to do these lower ones. You can see there is one that would have been covered by the table itself. So now that's installed, just gonna grab the table out. So it says on the packaging about checking the tension on this nut before you started, which I did. There's a nut that secures this, so I just checked the tension to make sure it wasn't too loose or too tight. So it's quite a nice, free operation. And now we've got that out of the bag, we can go ahead and pop this back in. So it just hooks in at the bottom, using these, and then press it in and turn it other way around. Oh yeah, ta-da! So we did say this would be a quick one. You see, the table is lovely, nicely stealthily mounted, and I'm really impressed with the quality and the fit of this. So this will be a great buy for you. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. Click the bell for more notifications if you want to see more T7 and transit content. We've got loads more coming in the future. So watch this space. So yeah, thank you.